Hello, my name is Patrick from Nqpetro, and today we're very proud to showcase our premium oil absorbent pads. Now these oil absorbent pads are 40 by 50 centimeters and 2 millimeters thick, and its hydrophobic design repels water whilst absorbing petrol, oil, diesel and other hydrocarbons. They deliver exceptional performance in any setting, especially by preventing slip and fire hazards. So now we're going to demonstrate how these oil absorbent pads work with this container water and some diesel. So first of all, we're just going to pour some diesel into the water. So you can see now that we've poured the diesel into the water, the diesel has risen to the top. So now we're going to apply the pad, and you'll be able to see really quickly the discoloration occur in the pad, and you'll be able to also see how much hydrocarbons it absorbs to the pad. So we'll apply this now. We're just going to move it around, and already you can see how quickly it is absorbing the diesel. And it's just removing that from the water whilst repelling the water. We'll just lift it up now, and you can just see how much diesel it has removed from the water. The discoloration that's occurred, and it's a lot heavier as well than it was before. So there you have it, guys. They're our premium oil absorbent pads. You can find these pads in 50 and 200 packs on our online store at nqpetro.com.au/shop. You can also find a wide range of fuel equipment, from fuel treatments, fuel pumps, polydiesel tags and self-banner tanks. Thank you.